Friends, today I am going to tell you about the causes, diagnosis and treatment of small breast in girls. So small breast is a very common problem among girls and approximately 20 to 30% girls have this problem. So the various causes of small breast are either they have deficiency of female sex hormone estrogen due to disorder of ovary or pituitary disorder and or other hormone gland disorders. Second cause is all their hormone may be normal but breast tissue may be resistant to normal level of female hormone, so that even if they have normal female hormone, breast tissue do not respond enough, so that they do not grow to the adequate size. Third cause, in some girls, body almost most tissue of the body are hypoplastic. It means their growing capacity is less due to disorder of genes or some chromosome disorders. They got hypoplasia of almost all body. Such girls, they remain short, they remain slim, and their face and other body part may be small too. Fourth is malnutrition. The girls who do not eat well during growing phase of breast tissue, either due to deficient in calorie or deficient in fat and protein, their breast tissue do not get enough nutrition to grow. That also one cause for small breast. Then comes some other disorder like malabsorption, some GI disorder, pancreatic disorder. All these disorders will lead to malabsorption and poor development of body tissue, including breast. Then comes systemic disorder like kidney disorder, heart disorder, liver disorder. Chronic disorder of these system organs will lead to deficient development of other body tissue, including breast also, leading to signs of deficient growth of these tissues. So whenever small girls with small breast come to me, so what we do, first we decide whether they have hormone disorder or not. For that we do their sex hormone test like LH, FSH, estradiol, prolactin, thyroid test. If in some girls needed other hormone tests also we do. Based on that we decide what is diagnosis, whether they are suffering with hormone deficiency or disorder or resistance of breast tissue to normal level of hormone or some other disorders, based on all these tests. And then we decide treatment. If hormone deficiency is found, the treatment is very simple. The moment you start hormone therapy, the breast tissue is normally sensitive. The moment you correct deficiency, you give them female hormone, the breast tissue start growing. Within 2 year time, normally in 3 to 4 months, breast tissue start growing, and around 2 year time, they got full normal breast size, maybe 34, 36, they achieve. Along with the hormone therapy, we give some nutritional and some growth factors and vitamins too. If girls have got normal hormones and they have some other disorders, other abnormality, malabsorption, some other disorder or malnutrition, then we correct that part also. And in such cases, by correcting other systemic disorders and some hormone therapy replacement, breast tissue may grow. But if hormone deficiency is there, breast tissue will develop 100%, there is guarantee. If hormones are normal and some other disorder is found, in such cases, normally 50% girls have breast development and growth in breast size. Remember, almost most girls, whether they have small breast or normal breast, once they become pregnant, so during pregnancy, female hormone level increases more than non-pregnant state. So once breast hormone level increases during pregnancy, more than 80% girls breast size increases by 2 to 4 size. So it means if female hormone therapy is given proper doses, even with normal hormone patient, girls having normal hormones, in some cases breast tissue may grow. So those having normal hormone, those patients, hormone therapy trial can be given. In such patient, if their normal hormone, there is no guarantee that breast will increase. There are 40 to 50% chances that breast may increase up to 2 to 4 size, maybe some up to 6 also. But there is no guarantee. What we give is hormone, female hormone. So normally female hormone, if you give proper doses, it has no side effect. But as I said, if hormone deficiency is found, breast enlargement is guaranteed. If hormone is normal, breast enlargement is not guaranteed. It may occur in 40%, 50%, maybe two size, 2 inch may increase, 4 inch may increase, depends from person to person. So once we correct malnutrition, we correct other systemic disorders, malabsorption or some other problem we found along with some hormone therapy, when we give around 40-50% girls, they increase the breast size, and some are very satisfied with the size they achieve after treatment. In some girls, if hormone therapy is not effective, minimum we give trial of 6 months. If 6 months breast size increases, then we continue for some more time. If in 6 months time there is no increase in breast size, we stop treatment. If breast tissue does not increase by hormone therapy, in such cases then option is breast implant. In that, tissue from the thigh and buttocks are taken, fat cells taken, they injected in the breast tissue, that is called autologous fat transplant. Or in some girls, silicone implant can be also put. But that is surgical process, costs approximately 1.5 lakhs. It is done by plastic surgeon. So those who are suffering with small breast, they may get investigated to find out what cause of the small breast, and accordingly treatment can be provided. So I hope this video, so you've got knowledge that what are the causes of small breast and what are the options for breast enlargement in girls.